look at this tree. Oh, they are beautiful fruits. I don't know, maybe they are poisonous. But first I will try it into my tongue, then I will eat it. Okay. Very tasty. Another tasty fruit. Let's try. Oh, look at this beautiful tree. It's like flowery tree. Very interesting. Smells so good. Oh, nature is awesome. Look at all beautiful trees and flowers. I like being in nature. Life is beautiful. Oh, it is a very nice day to walk. Forest is very beautiful. But first I need a shower. Then I can go into mall for shopping. Okay. Oh, my phone is ringing. Hi. Hi Fiona, what's up? Ah, okay. Okay then, let's go and drink some things. Okay, where to meet with you? Okay, see you. Bye. How about this place? We can drink in here. Yes, it's cool. But maybe we should do something very important before drinking here. What are you talking about? I will talk with my friend. Maybe he will come here. And maybe you will take me after that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, hi Charlie. I have a good friend with me in here. Maybe you should come and see her. Maybe you will take me after that. Oh, okay, cool. Okay then, see you in 15 minutes later. Bye. I talked with my friend and he will come here after 20 minutes. Oh, alright. Maybe I will like him. Yes, I'm sure you will like him. Oh, he is here.
Hi. Hi, girls.
My name is Charlie. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Amber. Nice to meet you too. Likewise.